herringbone pattern. This one? No. Hello guys, today I'm at site looking at what is going on in the condo that I'm doing the design. Just want to share with you about this vinyl floor. If you look at it, this portion, right, this clipping system, different product, different design. For this condo, I want to lay a herringbone pattern. So it's happened that we ordered this tile. We didn't realize that this clip system doesn't allow us to laying as a herringbone system. So next time you want herringbone, this type. Go for herringbone. This one? No. I mean, not the best, but